Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video we will learn how to change your website logo which you created in Odoo. Okay, if you have a two website and you want to upload two logo according to the website, you can upload separately. Okay, so first we have to create a logo. Let's first to show you one website where you can create the logo and you can design there. This website is suggest to you different types of logo. Okay, so this is the canva.com. Here you have to search here the www.canva.com, and first you have to log in with your email id. After that you can go to the home screen and search here the logo. So this website will suggest to you different types of design according to your requirement. You can choose, and some logo design is free of cost, and some logo is make it chargeable. Okay, so now I already created my channel name logo, and you can design, you can change the logo colors and outlines according to you. Okay, so now I'm going to download. Click on the share button, and here you can see the download button. Once is downloaded, that image will be downloaded in your local system. After that, go to the sudo. I'm already downloaded it. Okay, so now go to the downloaded, go to the Udo and click on the settings and search here the fav icon. So here you can see two website. Okay, first my website is a my website, and second is a my website 2, which is Udo already created by default. Okay, and here you can see the fav icon. So you have to upload here the image which is you created logo. Okay, now I uploaded this. Now after that, going to the save. Once I save, I'm now going to my website. So here you can see my image. If I zoom out, let's zoom. Sorry, if you see, image is not zoomed. Skin, only that part is zoomed. Okay, so if you can see here, the images is come. Okay, now if you want to change another website logo, you have to again go to the settings and search here the fav icons and selected the second website and upload here the images. Okay, after that you can save. So this is the process how to change the website logo in Odoo. So you can change according to your requirement. Okay, so thanks.